Day 29. We're going into types of traffic. So let's find out. Alright, what's up guys? I am Jake. Welcome back to the channel. Day 29 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. Alright, it's all about the types of traffic. Here we are, and interesting enough, I'm not sure if this is intentional or not, but they actually dropped 2 days and 1 day. Now we're not going to go over this day because, well, I just realized it just now that they dropped both today. So that's kind of cool. Not sure if it just dropped earlier or what. It's 8 p.m., so I'm doing this a little late. Let's just get into it. Russell's video, what he's saying is you need to look for your people inside of groups and congregations. That's where most people hang out online. Basically find out where they are, what groups they're in, and try to throw your hooks into those groups and pull out customers. That's the idea behind organic traffic, hell, even paid traffic. Paid traffic can be targeted towards those groups. But anyways, there's 3 types of traffic. There is traffic you control, which is your paid ads. Traffic you control is your paid ads. These are the ads you run on Facebook, YouTube, Google, which is also kind of YouTube, and hell, TikTok now. But anyways, that's traffic you control. Traffic you earn is your organic traffic, your SEO, your you going out and talking on Facebook groups and pitching your stuff, like throwing your hooks inside of groups, stuff like that. That's traffic you earn. Doing interviews is another one. And then there's traffic you own, which is your own personal list, your email list, which is pretty much the entire idea of the One Funnel Away Challenge. That's basically the main goal of this thing, is to teach you how to get people on your list without taking up money. That's the idea behind the challenge, is to build a funnel you can advertise, you earn enough money to where you make all that money back. So that's Russell Brunson's video. Let's jump down to Julie's video. She's just going over where to post your links, giving tons of ideas like social media accounts where you can post them on your pages, email signatures, I think is what they're called. Just at the bottom of every email, you can put links to your funnels. Obviously your list, you can send out an email blast to your list if you have one on your website. There's tons of other places. She has a huge long list. Yeah, here we go. Here's the list here. We won't go into that too much though. But yeah, there's all kinds of places, and there's a lot more than what she mentioned too. Any kind of forums you talk on, Reddit is a really good one. There's all kinds of them out there. But yeah, basically just post your links to your bios pretty much anywhere you're at. If you congregate on a website where you talk to other people, they can see your stuff, you should probably have your link to your funnels there. That's the entire idea of Julie's video. Steven's video. He actually starts out this video talking about bonus training. I don't know what that's about yet, but hopefully we find out soon. This is the last week of training. This is week number 4. Actually, it's week number 5, but they called the first week pre-training, so that makes this week 4, which is interesting. That's why I'm going by days, since this is day 29 of the actual challenge. I think the challenge is actually going to be like 35 days. Anyways, he's talking about not all links or clicks are created equal. Basically, if you drive 1,000 clicks from some random place, you might not get all that good a conversion rate, so you want to try to target. He didn't really go into any useful information in that category. That's just what he said for like 20 minutes. And then he jumped into lists. He's pretty much saying you need 3 lists, or, well, you need 3 types of lists. 3 lists right now. You need an opt-in list, which is going to be, say they opt into your funnel, you want to use that email list to kind of shoot emails out to them, trying to pull them back in so they can purchase. It'll raise your conversion rates. And then there's the buyer's list. So anyone that buys something from you goes onto that buyer's list. After the opt-in list is done, you run your little sequence, probably like 5 videos, 5 emails. If they haven't bought by then, just move them on to your big list, which is what he's talking about. He called it the Seinfeld list. This is just your big overall list of everyone you've had opt in or buy from you. That way you have your buyers separated from your whole list. So if you're wanting to drive purchases to another funnel, you'd send that out to the buyers. Pretty much your Seinfeld list, your main list, you could do the same thing. It's probably not going to be a whole lot better because they've never purchased from you before anyways. So, I mean, that's pretty much all he explained over and over again. He was pretty much going back and forth with the chat. I don't know why this was hard to understand. It seemed pretty simple to me, pretty logical, honestly. And he explained it fairly well from what I could tell, but apparently no one in his little chat from this live call understood the concepts of multiple lists. I think it could be the fact that I've had experience with autoresponders before, or maybe a lot of other people haven't. So if this is confusing to anyone else, comment down below. Let me know what you're confused about, what you're getting hung up about. That way maybe I can try to explain it a little better. Because to me, it makes perfect sense. I mean, once they go through the automation, generally an opt-in list, which is a non-buyers list, also called an abandoned cart list, basically send out like a series of 3 to 5 emails trying to push them back to your products. And if they don't buy, you just move them off to your main list, let them go. You don't keep trying to push the same product till they unsubscribe. That's not your goal. You still want to keep them on your list. You don't know what value or what they're going to bring to the table in the future. If you guys want that explained a little better, post down in the comments. I could definitely go over a little more thoroughly. It seemed like a lot of people were struggling to understand with Steven, so maybe that's going to be the case here as well. So let me know, and we'll get a video out explaining that a little better. Jim Edwards, he's going over the temperature of traffic. So if you guys have never heard of this, you probably haven't read .com Secrets, which I highly suggest. That is actually one of my favorite books of all time. This is what got me into Clickfunnels right here. I was actually in e-commerce on Shopify and failing miserably, wasting tons of money, and found .com Secrets, and it's blew my mind. Loved it. I'm going to link the book down below if you guys want to check it out. If you don't know what this is, you need to get that book because I'm not going to be able to explain it as well as it is in the book. But anyways, he's talking about hot, warm, and cold traffic. I think this is fairly well known. Cold traffic is they don't know who the hell they are. They don't know who you are. They don't know what the solution is or even that there is a solution out there. All they know, cold traffic, all they know is that they have a problem. Warm traffic is they know they have a problem. They know the solution is out there. They just haven't decided on who to buy from. And then hot traffic, they know there's a problem, they know there's a solution, and they know you have the solution. So you just have to convince them to buy. But yeah, that's it. And he was talking about wording your emails a little different and your landing pages differently or depending on who you're marketing to. So your cold traffic, you want to talk about the problem. Use the, I don't remember what method they called it, but I call it the cut and band-aid method. You talk about the problem, try to incite some emotion, make it a little worse, make them really feel the problem, get it to the top of their mind, and then you offer them your solution, your product, or whatever you have for them. And warm traffic, you just want to let them know that you have a solution as well. Here it is. This is what it can do for you. And then hot traffic, you just need to let them know that you have a solution for them, and here it is. Because they already know who you are. And that's always explaining how you could set up 3 different squeeze pages for each temperature of traffic and still have the same main funnel. But yeah, that's it. That's it for day 29. If this helped you guys at all, like the video. It does help me a lot, and I appreciate it. If you want to stick around for any more videos, we're going to be posting every day till the end of this challenge, and then probably twice a week after that. Subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all tomorrow. Later.